Coney Island. Excuse me, ma'am. What are you doing? Was it supposed to be open or what?
I don't know. That's why I'm like a little. It's different.
Maybe it doesn't open up during the day.
Maybe it doesn't open up during the week. Or
Yeah.
maybe it's fall time and they're like it's not hot enough.
Yeah, who knows? I guess usually it's popping.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm just here. I don't care. I'm not a big ride goer anyways. I've seen too many bullshit accidents on these damn rides. I'm like, yep, I'm good. Soaring Eagle.
I'm just glad that we're able to get to the boardwalk.
Hey, should. Bunch of stuff.
That's the boardwalk. There's a bunch of stores and stuff.
Yeah. That's what I said. I gotta go on the beach. Oh yeah. There we go. Open up.
Crazy though. Okay, there's stuff up and down there.
Salt and sizzles. There's Nathan's.
There's the park.
So what's so crazy? What's so different? That
This looks really old, run down.
well,
It did look this run down.
what's Ryan Beach? There's a sidewalk over here that we don't have to get in the sand. Did you say Ryan? Ryan? Honey?
Yeah, Brian's Beach, I think, is further down.
Oh, what is
That was
that?
one of the drivers was saying.
Oh,
that's the
Brighton.
Brighton?
Yeah.
Brighton.
Yeah. So this is Coney Island Beach.
Yep.
Okay. Let's get some food from them. Hell yeah. Dude, if they're selling food, I'm getting some food this time. I came to get fat on this trip. So I'm not even worried about my waistline.
Girlish figure.
Nope.
Looks like she has something.
Alright, we're gonna go get fat, guys. Follow us. And we got music. Let's go to work. What is it? Oh, is that ceviche?
Oh boy.
I can smell it.
Pero un ceviche.
¿Es ceviche?
Sí,
Sí, desde allá lo vuelo.
Ajá.
¿Cuánto?
15.
¿A 15? $15. ¿Es tostada o...?
¿Ah?
¿Es tostada o es platillo así? Ok. Déjame agarrar dinero porque no tengo $15. Ahorita lo regreso. Gracias. Here, Coney Island, having ceviche on the beach. Come on. Can't get any better than this. The music. Are we sure we're in New York? I feel like I'm in Miami. So live. Okay. Look at that. It has, looks like halibut, salmon, tostones, some corn. Hell yeah. Alright, here we go. Ceviche. So good. $15? $15.
They're all going to be about the same.
Didn't you want to do the Brooklyn? Something that said Brooklyn?
Maybe. I mean,
You said you were looking for Warriors that said Brooklyn.
well, yeah, but we can get those little magnets.
Oh.
Rubies since 1934.
Damn, that's pretty up there.
Crab cake, turkey burger, pizza.
All you left to eat is the dirty dog and pizza.
Yep, that'll be, we can
In town.
do that tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm trying to eat myself for dinner and not overeat. I've done really, really well. I'm really
Good.
proud of myself.
Me too. Everything I see, I eat.
100th anniversary.
I see that. Hey, here's. If I knew the dance, I would start doing it. All I can see is what's his name?
Yeah.
The air. What's his name?
I know.
The new one.
Rooster.
Yeah, Rooster.
There's the Wonder Wheel. And to get to the Wonder Wheel, you go down.
Really?
Right here. Looks like you go under.
So all this is closed
Yeah.
until when? Next summer?
Here we go, right here. Open weekends, April, May, September, and October. Open weekends, April, May, September,
Oh.
October. Open 7 days a week, Memorial Day through Labor Day. So summer, we're open 7 days a week. They'll be open on weekends for September and October, so we just missed it.
Okay. Huh.
That's okay.
Oh, I'm not worried about it. I'm just here with you, babe. On the boardwalk. Heck, we ride this shit anyways.
It's true. I can't do any of this stuff.
I don't ride them either.
I can do like the major theme parks because they like lock you down.
Yeah, but even still, the jeering of your neck.
Yeah, but those I can still do, believe it or not. I'm surprised I haven't ended up in the hospital with some of the shit I've done.
Good
You know
Lord's
what I
been
mean?
watching over us, believe me. Dude.
Seriously.
That breaks my heart. Familia.
Yeah.
Pizzeria. You're not that old. 1970. That doesn't count.
Yeah, so when this is open, you walk down. You can
It's
go.
so awesome.
Yeah, see
Oh,
how
look.
it's down there?
Yeah. So it's closed right now.
Yeah.
Fall will open up. Ice cold beer.
This is pretty much it.
Cool. I can dig it.
And we can go down the other side.
Yeah.
Can you dig it?
Oh, there's some old ones over there. Watch it.